In the heart of a sprawling medieval kingdom, where mist clings to the ancient stone castles and the air is thick with the scent of impending war, a tale of power and betrayal unfolds. The banners of two rival houses flutter ominously in the chill of dawn, each emblazoned with the colors of ambition and legacy. At the center of this tumultuous world stands King Aelric, a ruler torn between loyalty to his family and the destiny of his realm. His heart is heavy with the weight of a prophecy foretelling doom unless he unites the fractured kingdoms. But whispers of treachery grow louder, echoing through the stone halls of his castle. As tensions rise, the opposing forces gather. Lady Eleonora, fierce and cunning, leads her own faction, seeking to claim the throne for herself. The stakes are not just crowns, but the very survival of their people. As alliances are forged in secret, the true battle begins. Not just on the fields, but within the hearts of those who seek power. In a shocking twist, a betrayal from within Elric's closest circle shatters his plans. With the kingdom on the brink of collapse, alliances crumble, and the battlefield becomes a stage for desperate acts of valor and treachery. The clash of swords echoes through the valley as the fate of the kingdom hangs by a thread. In the aftermath, the remnants of the once mighty kingdoms lie shattered. From the ashes of betrayal, a new order emerges, forged by the lessons learned in blood and sacrifice. The tale of King Aelric and Lady Eleonora echoes through the ages, reminding us that power comes at a price and unity is the only path to peace.